Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay not working on your iPhone by following these steps. So let's get started. Very first thing is you want to check out your internet connection by pulling down the top menu, put your phone in airplane mode, and turn it off. And that is a quick network refresh. Now, you may also consider that if you're using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular. If you're using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi by turning off basically cellular. So you can do this by turning off Wi-Fi, use cellular, or vice versa. Sometimes it could be an internet issue. Now, if that isn't the problem, the next thing you want to go ahead and check out is your Apple Pay country or region that you're in. So if you're in a specific country or region, sometimes it doesn't support Apple Pay. So you want to go into your setting, go to general, and take a look at your language and region. And right here, for example, United States, it works. If you're in a different region, you may need to switch it over to a region that does work. Now, along with that, a couple other things you want to check out is that your card in your Apple Wallet, see if it's there. Sometimes if it gets removed, you need to re-add it. You can click on the plus icon to go ahead and re-add your Apple Wallet, the card. Now, if it can't add it here, you can also do it through the setting by going into your main settings and then look for your wallet and Apple Pay. And right here, you can go ahead and add a card. Same menu will pop up and make sure you re-add the card. You may also consider just removing that card and re-adding it. So you can do it from here, directly here, or on the app. You'll just tap on it and click on remove and then add it back on as well, just to verify everything is good. Sometimes the reason why it may not work is that if you changed like things like your billing address or even expiration or security code, the card needs to be re-added to your account. Now, other thing you want to go ahead and check out on your phone is you're going to make sure that you go ahead and update the phone software. So in your settings, go to general, software update, and make sure if there is an update to the latest version. Sometimes a previous update might cause issues. So it's always good to update your phone. Now, if you update your phone to the latest version, that's good. You're going to want to go ahead and restart the phone. So you're going to do is volume up in the side button, press and hold, and then simply power off and then power back on. You can also pull down from the top menu, click on the power icon, slide it to power off, and then to power it on, you just hold down this side button once it turns off, or you can plug it in as well. Now, a quick restart will fix a lot of those issues. Now, if you're still having issues, a couple other things you want to consider is in your phone setting, go to general. This time, check your date and time. Make sure your date and time is set correctly to your local area. If it's not, you can turn off, set automatically, adjust it manually, the time zone, and then the date and the time. And then ideally, you want it to set automatically, but sometimes it doesn't pick it up automatically. That's why we have to do that. Now, along with that, next thing you want to do from the main settings is you're going to look at your screen time, specifically content and privacy restriction. If you have a restriction turned on, temporarily turn that off and try again. Now, let's say that didn't fix it. The next thing you want to check out is if you're using any VPN, you need to turn that off. Sometimes VPN can interfere with things like Apple Pay, so you need to turn that off and try again. Now, if you're finding none of this is working for you, you're going to want to go ahead and check out Apple services isn't down. So on a browser, simply search up Apple system page status. So basically this gives you a status of Apple's services, the first link on Google. And what you need to look for is Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. Most of these should be available. If you're seeing that it is not available, it could be an issue, the service, and you just have to try it. Like the wallet one, you want to make sure it says available. For some reason it says unavailable. Sometimes it does happen. There's outages. You just have to wait till it is fixed. And I hope that this helped you fix it. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.